She was crying. She want to kill herself. I come ask her, say, wetin wan come make you kill yourself for this life, as this life just sweet reach so? It's just the real so. And the man say if the pikin not comot for house, he not go marry the woman again. He and the pikin not fit dey the same house. Or make she leave the man, make the man go. That time she go get 4 children, 4 fathers. Hello everyone, welcome to Madam Aproko on YouTube. How are you all doing, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. Thank you all for tuning in to Madam Aproko on YouTube, the only Madam Aproko when it did not come the way the matter be. I don't come back again with another gist, my darling people. This one when I carry come here today, to read off full ground, my people. Make una come here wetin dey happen. If you be single mother, carry your check, carry your popcorn, come hear wetin dey happen for inside life. Since then when it dey happen, oh my people, wetin your ear never hear, you never waka reach there. So kind tori the way be say you go hear, you go say, yeah, this one for the happen. Now inside life, oh, tori, wahala, you know they finish. Inside this video today, now one single mother, now I need advice. One single mother when he get 3 children, 3 fathers. Now the new husband will be say she gets so. Now be the wahala when they come make this thing now come out now. Will be say I need to present her. He don't say when I dey settle her for inside hand. I don't talk to the man no green here. If you be single mother, you want go remarry. Carry your chair, come listen to wetin dey happen for inside life. Oh, now when you never get belle for that man, and you get right to turn. Oh, when belle don dey again, you will come see gum like the way this woman take see gum. So, wetin happen for inside this woman matter? I did one day when she contact me, she was crying. She want to kill herself. I come ask her, say, wetin wan come make you kill yourself for this life, as this life just sweet reach so? It's just the real so. Wetin wan come make you? Talk to Madam Aproko. I dey here now to listen. Now then she come start story, oh my darling people. And she come start story, and I said, you sure? He say yes. Okay, give me the man number now. So she come take give me. Wetin happen when she tell me? She say when she dey Nigeria. Now no when person dey for school for Nigeria now, she can't carry belle. Now all those one some people they call or made double. And she can't carry belle, the man can't deny say no be get the belle. So only she with her mama, they can't take care of her. She not get father again. From there, now there she can't enter Libya road. She can't dey Libya. Another man can't still give her belle for Libya. She can't carry the pikin, come abroad. As she reach there now, she can't take care of the pikin, take care of the one within Nigeria. She can't still get one man for Italy when he love her. He want marry, he want do everything for her. Now so the two of them, they can't take day. As she can't get belle, she don't born. And so police can't arrest the man for Italy. As they arrest and they can't bundle the man go Nigeria. They can't deport the man. So she now can't wait for the man. The man not can fit come back. And she now not to get money to carry the man follow up come. And the man say in the fear to follow Libya road come abroad. So not do now. So she can't come up for the country when she did. She can't go the country when benefit day. And then she can't jam one young guy when be say she be say the guy love her. You know? So now so the two of them come there. I go marry you. The guy can go do introduction. So the guy can't tell her and say, if the woman never get belle, you know, they put money. So this time, the woman already get belle for this matter now. So the woman son, when he dey inside, when the woman get 2 children for abroad, they wear one for Nigeria, can be 3 children, 3 father. No mind me, hug your mind. And so like big. So one boy dey inside, the one when he born for the man when they deport. So that one, according to the woman, say the pikin is stubborn. He's stubborn small. So the pikin they do some kind thing wey be say he's stubborn. So the man now come dey tell am say, if you want make I continue this marriage with you, you need to carry this pikin go give your papa for Nigeria, or carry am go give your mother for Nigeria, or give government. He no go fit stay with this pikin. Say the pikin come use scissors take cut the man shoe. when the small pikin say na play, carry scissors come take dey play. So every time I saw the man, they beat him. Every time the man, they beat him. They beat him. Even she, the thing upon the verse and say, no go kill the pikin. Go say, na so the pikin. Na so the papa in Nigeria now they flex. The papa they live. He now they take care of her. Blah 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 blah. You know all those kind of men when we say sometimes. Sorry to say, my lady, if you come out when marriage already tired, hey, they find excuse, you know. And so the thing can't happen. Now problem when you come the wetin make me come carry this matter come because me I call the man, I hear from the man. The man say la you know fit stay with the pikin for house, make it carry and go Nigeria, go give him mama, or you go give the father of the child for Nigeria. The father of the child don't marry for Nigeria, or she go carry the pikin dash government. They go dey see her. If the pikin don't come of age, if he can't decide to carry the pikin go, but for now the pikin dey stubborn. So the lady say they can waka kpokpogri for Naija. Una know now. Say wetin dey worry the pikin. They say na the pikin papa, na dey kpokpo the pikin hair, na dey brass am, na dey press. Every suru we laughy. Now the small pikin papa, na dey brass am, na dey press the pikin brain, na make the pikin dey misbehave. So now the lady now come dey talk now say when she don't know what she want to do. She don't already get belly of 3 months for this guy. And this guy now say nothing live with this pikin. Since they don't already know say now brazzing, they brass the pikin here. Now make the pikin they misbehave for house. Now the lady say she don't know what she want to do. And the man say if the pikin not come out for house, he not go marry the woman again. He and the pikin don't fit the same house. Say the pikin they do somehow like, you know, say in don't tire. Now this lady now, my people, you need to have advice I beg. How this lady want waka? Make she leave the pikin, make he go meet the papa, or make the lady carry this pikin go Nigeria. Nigeria will light no day. Or make she carry the pikin go give government. She will go dey see her for government's hand. Make government probably they go work put. I don't really know why the man say make her go give government. Or make she leave the man, make the man go. That time she go get 4 children, 4 fathers. Ha, this matter, how una see her? You be like say na Aproko shiri. Now so the matter ritual. Now I say make I carry her come. I beg una with the name of God. Make una drop better comments for her. Advice, now she need. If you still need that number, according to her, she say if that's the day when you want the advice her, they talk to her, she's ready. So I feel give the person a number. Help a sister in distress. The woman when you get belly of 3 months, that what they talk about. So I know saying a small thing now they lead to depression. Share your problem. They say problem share is half solved. If you get any problem, cry come meet Madam Aproko. And go date. No one will not feel so for inside hand. We can't come out for social media. Make people come here what they happen for inside life. If today are the first time where they see my beautiful face and you want to see her always, I beg, not fail to subscribe to Madam Aproko on YouTube. I go see you now for my next video. Help me share this video. Make the video go viral so that this lady should go get advice. Bye.